It sounds like the rain might finally be ending for a while in KELOLAND, but that doesn't mean flooding concerns are leaving with it. One area that's worried about floodwaters is Lake Alvin in southeastern KELOLAND. KELOLAND's Perry Groten joins us live from Lake Alvin with a look at what it's like. Perry?
Well, good afternoon, Brady. You can really hear that water rushing over the spillway here at Lake Alvin. We're here at the north side of the area here. It's just because of all this unrelenting rain this past week. Now, Game Fish and Parks has been keeping an eye along on the earthen dam next to the spillway. That's because the ground has been so saturated with all this heavy rain. It's causing some of that dirt on the earthen dam to slide down the hill and go into the bottom of the spillway. But officials say that the dam itself is safe. It is in no danger whatsoever of collapsing or breaching or anything like that. But at some point this summer, crews will likely have to do some work to shore up the dam. Engineers have been keeping a close watch on the dam, but other areas have been problemed here too. Highway 135 that runs along Lake Alvin was closed yesterday. The good news is that stretch of Highway 135 is back open, and we've been watching traffic making its way smoothly throughout the area. We talked to one gentleman who lives close by. He says he's gotten over 5 inches of rain this week alone here at his house. So we're going to be hearing from people who live nearby about what they think about all this rain. And we'll be talking to Game Fish and Parks as well about the future of Lake Alvin and its efforts to dry out and shore up some of the wet shorelines here. Reporting live from Lake Alvin, I'm Perry Groten, KELOLAND News. We'll toss it back to you, Brady, in the studio.
Thanks, Perry. Lake Alvin is just one place where flooding is causing a lot of concerns. We have a whole team of reporters hitting the road to take a look at the damage in many different parts of KELOLAND. Kelly Volk is in the Volga area to find out how agriculture is being affected. Sarah McDonald is traveling to Brookings County to check on flooded roads. And Don Jorgensen is contacting officials in western KELOLAND to find out what kind of damage they're seeing. Be sure to tune in to KELOLAND News at 5, 6, and 10, as well as follow us on social media. Stay up to date on our website and pay attention to our KELOLAND News app today. We will bring you all the details throughout the day.